Hey, hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely rocking. So these days there are a lot of options for the smartphones available online, and as there is a sale going on for Amazon and Flipkart very frequently these days, I just wanted to analyze the best smartphone in budget which being sold like crazy. I found one such mobile, bring that to you guys so that it would be helpful for you to purchase a smartphone in budget. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the smartphone I was talking about is from Realme. So the Realme is producing some really good smartphones with great features in it with low price. Yes, you are right. The smartphone which I am going to unbox and review today is Realme 3 Pro. There is an updated version available in the market, that is Realme 5 Pro. But there are very few details which are better than Realme 3 Pro, but in real life scenario, I think Realme 3 Pro is the best choice in this price range. As you see, there are 1,11,420 reviews as of now, and the rating is 4.5. I mean, this is something really serious to consider while purchasing a mobile. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing and I'll let you know all the features available with Realme 3 Pro. So this is the box we get from Amazon. This time the packaging is quite interesting with a seller's photo on it, and if you scan the face, you will be redirected to a page where you can read the success story of that particular seller, and nothing much in specific, all the routine stuff. So let's cut open the box and move ahead with the unboxing. Opening the outer packaging, we have the mobile box and the invoice of the same. Let's keep the box to a side and grab the mobile box. On the front, we have a 3 Pro written, and on the right and left we have the Realme 3 Pro branding. On the top we have the Realme logo, and on the bottom we have few details such as pricing and content of the box. And on the back we have few details of the phone, the SAR value, the color of the phone, details of the RAM and ROM, and it feels good to see the label made in India. Let's cut the plastic and see what all stuff we get in the box. We also have a sticker written on it. If the seal has been broken or tampered, do not give clear receipt unless contents are examined in presence of the delivery agent. That means you can open the box and check in front of the delivery person itself. That's a good option. Let's cut this open and dive into the box. Opening the box, we have a packet which has the SIM ejecting tool, some paperwork, and a transparent case. The quality of the case is quite good, I would say. Let's keep all this to a side and move forward. Now we have the beautiful phone wrapped in the plastic cover in order to protect the phone from scratches while in transport. Let's just put the phone to a side and dig down further. This is impressive. We get a walk fast charger. This looks and feels as the same charger that we get with the OnePlus devices. I mean the dash charger. We also get a USB to Type 2 charging and data syncing cable, and it's pretty thick, I would say, and that is because it has to support the fast charging and nothing else in the box. Let me just grab the phone. The phone looks and feels premium in hand, though it's made out of completely plastic. Let me just boot the phone, and by the time I set it up, here are the specifications of the phone on the screen. Now that I have completed the setup, let's go to the settings and see the amount of free space available out of the box. So guys, as you see, we get 46.6 GB free space available out of 64 GB, and the processor is Qualcomm SDM710 octa-core. The phone feels pretty fluid and with no lags as of now, and as you see, the display looks pretty crispy, guys. Let me just change the wallpaper so that you can see the quality of the display clearly. As you see, the display is pretty vibrant and feels very premium. The back has texture to it, and that's pretty much glossy, I would say. This gives the phone a premium look. On the back, we have a dual camera setup of 16 and 5 megapixel, which produces excellent bokeh effect, I would say, and that is coupled with LED flash. The primary sensor is Sony IMX519, which is used in a lot of high-end smartphones such as OnePlus 6T. Two lenses on the back provide depth of field info that enables the focus on the subject and blurring the background. The Realme 3 Pro can also capture 64 megapixel image through multi-framing stacking. This also has a fingerprint unlock feature which works at a blazing speed, I would say. On the top, we have nothing except a secondary noise cancellation mic, and onto the bottom we have the speaker grill, a micro USB charging and data syncing port, primary mic, and thankfully we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is missing in a lot of premium phones these days. On the right we have the power on off button, and onto the left we have the volume rockers and a SIM tray. The back is a fingerprint magnet, I would say. Let me just grab the transparent case provided with the mobile and snap it on. The phone looks even more attractive with this case on, guys. And this also has a flap onto the charging port to avoid any damage to it. As you see, the fingerprint works at an amazing speed to unlock the phone. Let's open the SIM tray and see if we have got a dedicated slot for memory card, or is it a hybrid slot. Yes, we can pop in 2 nano SIMs with a micro SD card all together. The phone feels pretty light in hand, guys. The Realme 3 Pro is backed by a 4050 mAh battery paired with Oppo's proprietary 20-watt Walk 3.0 fast charging technology. As claimed by Oppo, the Walk fast charger technology is capable of charging the phone from 0 to 75% in just 35 minutes, which is pretty impressive, I would say. So guys, let's just test the cameras on the Realme 3 Pro now. This is the photo taken from the rear camera, and as you see, the colors are really vibrant and it looks as if the image is popped out. So guys, this is the wide angle selfie and the details are pretty good, I would say. Let me just show you the bokeh effect this particular phone creates in a portrait mode. So on the left you can see the photo taken with a normal camera without any portrait mode on, and onto the right is the same pic that has been taken in portrait mode. As you see, the background blurring is pretty good on this phone. So guys, this photo has been taken both in indoor and outdoor conditions. As you see, indoor it's performing good, I would say, but in the outdoor conditions the camera clarity is top notch in this price range, I would say. So guys, as you saw, the Realme 3 Pro is definitely a better option. There will be a lot of smartphones coming into the market, but as of today, Realme 3 Pro is the best buy for the price and the features it's offering. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please smash the like button if you liked the video, and let me tell you guys, there is a lot more interesting stuff coming on my channel, so do consider subscribing. Don't forget to press that bell icon to receive any further notifications when I upload a new video for you guys, and request you guys to like, share and comment on this video. How did you like my presentation? Share the video with your friends and family so that this would reach someone who is looking to purchase a budget smartphone with great features. So that being said guys, I would like to end the video over here, and let's meet in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and never back down. Jai Hind.